I'm here today with our customer, Hydrochem. They are an aerosol manufacturer based in Merseyside in the UK. We've come over to have a look at an ATEX solution which is being supplied by Nemesis. Hydrochem came to Exact because they had a problem. They were looking for an ATEX specific Checkweigher to be installed beside their existing line. Then we went to them very quickly and we came back with a good solution working with Nemesis.
Yeah, my name's Simon Kirby. I'm from Hydrochem Aerosols, and we are an aerosol manufacturer as a contractor filler. We needed an ATEX Checkweigher, and Nemesis were ready to work with us on it.
The customer was looking for a system that could go alongside their existing production line. They had a rotary Checkweigher which was custom built by a manufacturer in the UK. They had many problems with the system. They were looking to move away to a new system that wasn't a rotary system. They also wanted to move away from the feeding screw system. Working with Nemesis, we were able to implement a system that used dual feeding belts to not only transfer the cans from their existing production line, but also to do the spacing before they went onto the Checkweigher. A big constraint that the customer had is they had a series of lines that were very close together, and they wanted a solution that could fit in between the lines, which was very difficult for us. So we implemented a solution with a removable panel. That had its own problems because it was an ATEX solution, so we had to customize or custom build an ATEX panel to go on this machine, which Nemesis were able to do. And there's different zoning for ATEX. There's a machine that can go in an explosive environment. So in this case, it was for a customer who fills aerosols. So they had the contents of the aerosols in the environment. So the Checkweigher has to not emit any static energy, any sparks, anything like this. So all of the components have to be custom made for an ATEX machine. So it's not your standard Checkweigher. You can identify an ATEX machine by EX markings that are on the machine. You'll notice the green and yellow grounding wires that are on the machine, and also the blue cabling and grommets, which help you identify that it's an ATEX Checkweigher. The new ATEX compliant Checkweigers utilise Nemesis's Lumina software package, which utilises a 15-inch touchscreen, which is very intuitive to use. You can scroll through different menus. It operates on a newer Windows 11 platform, which can be utilised throughout a plant. I think what surprises me most working with Nemesis is the customer support. Where we work with a range of distributors, but Nemesis, as soon as we ask a question, they come back to us straight away. And if we want some customization on a solution, we need to change something slightly for a customer, and Nemesis are always very quick to respond with a very good solution.
We've looked at the machine today and we're absolutely happy with it. Really good machine, really happy with them.